Do you dream of becoming a millionaire, but aren't sure where to start? The journey to your first million may seem overwhelming, but it's entirely possible if you follow a clear, actionable path. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps you need to take to make your first $1 million, starting with setting the right goals, building the right mindset, and strategically growing your wealth. Stay tuned, because we'll also tackle common obstacles along the way, and I'll show you how to overcome them to ensure you stay on track to financial freedom. To achieve your first $1 million, the journey begins with setting clear financial goals. This step involves defining how much money you want to make when you aim to achieve it, and through what specific means. The obstacle here is often a lack of clarity or having vague, unrealistic goals. Without a solid plan, it can be difficult to stay focused. To overcome this, it's essential to break down your goals into specific, measurable, and time-bound targets. Instead of simply saying, "I want to be a millionaire," aim for something like, "I want to earn $1 million in 5 years by investing and growing my business." Regularly assess your progress, refine your goals, and stay focused on your target. Once you've set your goals, developing a winning mindset is crucial for success. This means cultivating the belief that you can achieve your financial aspirations, even when faced with obstacles. A common barrier is self-doubt, especially when things don't go as planned. The solution lies in developing a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities to learn rather than as insurmountable setbacks. This mindset shift helps you stay resilient. Whenever faced with a failure, see it as feedback, not defeat. Successful people understand that persistence and the ability to adapt are what ultimately lead to success. The next step is to increase your income streams. Relying on a single income source can significantly limit your ability to build wealth. This could be through a job, freelancing, or investing, but many people face the challenge of limited opportunities or skill sets. To overcome this, consider taking on additional side hustles or upskilling to increase your earning potential. You can also explore passive income options, such as investing in stocks, real estate, or building an online business. The more diverse your income streams, the faster you can accumulate wealth. Controlling your spending is another key strategy. Living below your means is essential for saving and investing. However, a common obstacle here is lifestyle inflation, when you increase your spending as your income rises. To combat this, you must develop disciplined spending habits. Track your expenses, avoid unnecessary purchases, and prioritize savings and investments over short-term pleasures. You should focus on building wealth by putting that extra money into assets that generate income or appreciate over time. The more you save, the more you have to invest. Accelerating your path to your first $1 million. Investing smartly is the next critical step. While many people understand the importance of investing, the fear of losing money can be a major barrier. The key here is to educate yourself on different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or even starting a business. Begin small, and as you grow in knowledge and confidence, increase your investments. Consistency is key. Time in the market often beats timing the market. So start early, keep adding to your investments, and let compound interest work for you. Building and scaling a business is one of the fastest ways to reach your first million. Many millionaires have created their wealth by building companies that solve problems or meet consumer needs. However, the fear of failure or lack of expertise can be significant obstacles. To overcome this, start small with a side business or freelance work. Focus on providing value and solving specific problems for your target audience. As you gain experience, reinvest your earnings into expanding your business. Scaling is where the real wealth building happens, but it requires dedication and a focus on growth. Networking and finding mentors are also pivotal in the journey to making your first million. The obstacle many face here is not knowing where to start or how to approach others. Networking can seem intimidating, but it's crucial for creating opportunities and gaining insights from those who've already succeeded. The solution is to actively seek out networking opportunities, whether that's through social media, industry events, or professional groups. Find mentors who have experience in the areas you want to grow in, whether it's business, finance, or investments. Learning from their successes and mistakes can help you avoid pitfalls and accelerate your progress. Taking calculated risks is essential for growth, but many people are afraid of making mistakes. Fear of failure can hold you back from seizing opportunities that could lead to significant gains. The solution is to embrace risks, but always do your research beforehand. Whether it's starting a new venture, making an investment, or pursuing an unconventional career path, make sure your risks are calculated, not reckless. Being prepared to learn from setbacks, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward will ensure you continue to progress toward your financial goals. Patience and consistency are perhaps the most important qualities on the road to $1 million. The obstacle here is the temptation to seek quick results. Building significant wealth takes time, and many people give up too soon when they don't see immediate returns. The solution is to maintain a long-term perspective. Focus on incremental progress and understand that small, consistent actions over time will lead to significant results. Whether it's through regular investing, business growth, or improving your skills, staying the course and being patient will eventually pay off. Lastly, continuously educating yourself is a crucial part of building wealth. The world is always changing, and staying on top of new trends, financial strategies, and investment opportunities is key to sustaining growth. The obstacle here could be feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to focus your learning. To overcome this, break down your educational goals into manageable steps. Read books, attend seminars, take online courses, and seek out expert advice. Being a lifelong learner keeps you agile and able to adapt to new challenges, making it easier to continue building wealth. That be why systematically applying these strategies and overcoming the obstacles along the way, you can reach your first $1 million. The path will not always be easy, but with the right mindset, discipline, and persistence, financial freedom is within reach. Achieving your first $1 million won't happen overnight, but with patience, persistence, and the right strategies, it's a goal that's completely within your reach. By setting clear financial goals, developing a resilient mindset, diversifying your income, controlling your spending, and investing smartly, you're already on the right track. Remember, it's all about consistency, learning from your setbacks, and taking calculated risks. So, keep your focus, keep educating yourself, and never give up. Your $1 million journey is just beginning. Are you ready to take the first step?